Hi everyone, Corey, Precision 4x4 Center, or as we're known on the web, ToyotaFiberglass.com. Thanks for tuning in, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 84 to 88 short box, the Canadian-Japanese style. So the reason why it's the Canadian-Japanese style is the American style or domestic style was actually produced in the US. And that's it. This bed, the Canadian-Japanese style, was on the trucks that went all the rest around the world. And we ship all over the world, so we build this one as well. So yeah, here we go. So the first thing you'll notice is that it has a lip. Now typically, like the first gens, there are hooks, tie downs. We don't do those, and I say that they're not usable, but somebody will use them, so we just don't use them. We don't put them on. You can see the body lines. Pretty much the exact same thing of the domestic US one. The domestic US one, it just has this closed in. Few other differences, but things like the wheel wells are actually a little bit of a different shape. The gas filler door is different, and then obviously the tailgate is different. So speaking of the tailgates, this one is actually going overseas to Norway. Going out here pretty quick. So it's all been set up. I've already put all the latches and everything on it. Works just like stock. Everything just bolts into place. You reuse your catches and the strikers. These ones have just been all cleaned up. Tailgate handle fits in the same way. You can see the little two bolts. And then it also comes with the cover. I left this off just so that you could see the handle, but the cover just fits in place as well. So you can see the inside. It's a double wall design, just like all of ours. Floor is flat. We don't do the corrugations. Tail lights just basically fit into place. The fuel filler, this is a different door. It's actually a different design as well than the US one. This one has a key lock. This one actually is one of our fiberglass ones. And you can see it's all cut out and ready to accept the fuel filler nozzle and the little rubber bumper. When I built the molds on these ones originally, I didn't take out a lot of the imperfections, things like spot welds and stuff, especially up under the rails. Because once it's painted, in my opinion, it just looks much more factory, because that's how they came out of the factory. If you're doing a show truck or something, you're going to have to block it. Probably 80% of my customers just bolt them on as is. They're pretty nice. They're pretty straight. You can, I mean, the camera doesn't lie too much. Maybe a little. But I mean, you can see all the body lines are there. Everything is there. Also the Canadian-Japanese has the Toyota embossed on it, whereas the US domestic one does not. So thanks for stopping by and checking us out. We're really busy, so if you don't want to be disappointed, make sure you give yourself plenty of time. We're typically booked for about a year on these at least. So right now with the COVID situation, we're about 20 months behind right now. So We do require a deposit, so shoot me an email if you're interested, and we can talk further, or give me a call. Numbers on the website, toyotafiberglass.com. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.